that you've been enjoying the videos so far. I wanted to come on and let you know that this video is a part of a collaboration. I have joined with my lovely sisters of the Heaven's Pearls to bring you another video. Now, we are this month focused on and continuing our focus on the women of the Bible. And this month we are focused on Hannah. Now, you will find the scripture reference for the story of Hannah in 1 Samuel chapter 1, verses 3 through 8. Now, Hannah, she's only mentioned in the first chapter of Samuel. However, the story is a powerful one that teaches us to be persistent in prayer, to surrender all to God, and to trust His timing, even during our most difficult and trying times. Now, Hannah, she was loved. However, she did not have a child. She was barren. And she prayed and had faith, and the Lord blessed her womb with not only a child, but she ended up with 6 children in all. And her first child, Samuel, grew up to be one of the first prophets and one of the last judges, and he was a man chosen from God, chosen for God rather, from his birth until his death. So again, I hope that you will go and read the story of Hannah, and also the reason I chose the colors of pink and gold. Now, of course, pink is a feminine color, but it also stands for right relationship and our Father's love, and the gold represents the glory of God. So again, I hope you'll go and visit all of the ladies. I've left links down in my description box to their channels. If you're not a member of this channel, I hope that you'll subscribe today, and also visit my other channels, DIY Design by CCW and the Glam Decor channel. All right, everyone, thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day or a wonderful night. Bye-bye.